Okay, good morning. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. My next topic will be an interesting one. This is the procedure on how to make circuit trees. The trees at the back of the circuit board and how to make that one. It's this one. The different traces over here. Actually, this is the work of the circuit designers. Okay, I will give you the materials needed to and how to make traces on a circuit board. Much more on a copper board. Copper board meaning the board, the solder area is made of copper. Because there are boards in which the solder area is aluminum, but for tonight, okay, or for this morning, I will be discussing copper board, meaning the area in which the terminal to be soldered is copper. Like this one, it is made of copper. It's copper. Okay. The number one material needed is actually a solution of ferric chloride. Ferric chloride. Okay. Ferric chloride, it's a chemical thing. It will dissolve the markings on the circuit board in which that is needed. It will dissolve all the markings without the pin mark on the circuit board. The number two material needed is actually the circuit pen. It's just like a pencil pen, but it's a special pen, okay, because the writing of this one is not soluble by the ferric chloride. It's not soluble. So whatever you write there, you submerge it in the ferric chloride, and the one you write will not be dissolved. The one without the writing will be the one that will be dissolved. Okay. So we need a ferric chloride, a circuit pen. Okay. The next thing you do is to draw your circuit on the copper board. At the back of the copper board, the one with the copper. Draw your circuit over there. Whatever circuit you want, draw it. Okay? Like this one. I mark this one with the circuit pen. So the meaning of this, once I submerge this one on the ferric chloride for around 20 to 30 minutes, I keep stirring it. Okay? Okay? After 20 to 30 minutes, I will remove the circuit board from the ferric chloride solution and wash it in a fresh water. What will remain after washing will be this one. Okay, it's only this one. The one with the markings of the pen. Because the one with the markings of the pen is not soluble with the ferric chloride. Like this one here, I did it myself. I even put my name, okay, how do you read it one? David De Los Reyes. So I made that with the circuit pen, okay. So after writing what I want on the circuit board, I submerge it in the ferric chloride, okay, for around 20 to 30 minutes. I think 20 to 30 minutes, it's about time to dissolve all those what I call this part of the copper board without writing. So the one that will remain is the one with the writing. The one you did with the writing. Okay? The one with the, what they call this circuit pen, okay? It will be the one that will remain on the board. Okay? On the back of the board. Like this one here. The one that with the copper board are actually the ones covered by the circuit pen. Okay? Because if you try to dissolve it in a ferric chloride, it will not be dissolved. The one that will be dissolved is the one without writing. Okay? The one without writing. So the circuit pen is actually a special pen. Whatever you write on there, it will not be dissolved. It will remain on the board. Like this one here. I write my name. I wrote audio amplifier ground. Audio amplifier ground. You see that one? Okay. I write that with a pen. Okay, so when I submerge this with the ferric chloride, the one with the writing will remain, right? All those without writing will be dissolved by the ferric chloride. I even wrote my name, David de los Reyes. Okay? So after dissolving with the ferric chloride, the writing David de los Reyes is covered by the pen, so it was not dissolved by the ferric chloride. So the procedure here is all portions of the circuit board without the writing will be dissolved. Whatever you write, it will remain. So if you put a straight line over there, what will remain will be a straight line. Okay? So the circuit traces needed for circuit designs, whatever you write there, it will remain. Okay? Or that's the procedure on how to make circuit traces on circuit boards for copper boards. It's not for aluminum boards. Because for copper boards, the one we use is actually the chemical that will dissolve is actually a ferric chloride. All those without writing will be dissolved, okay, by the ferric chloride. That's it. That's the proper way on how to make a circuit traces or to design circuit boards, okay. It is used by using a circuit pen, a special pen. This pen is not, the writing of this pen is not soluble with the ferric chloride. And the chemical needed here, it's a very dangerous thing. You might get blind if you splash it on your eyes. So while doing this circuit design, using this ferric chloride, used to wear eye goggles, Okay? So I will repeat it before we go for this morning. What we need is a circuit pen, okay? A solution of ferric chloride, a container where you place the ferric chloride. So after designing your circuit board with the circuit pen, which is a special pen, this pen is not, the writing of this pen is not soluble by a ferric chloride. So whatever you write there will remain. Okay, good morning from Los Angeles. That's the way on how to make circuit traces of circuit board by using a circuit pen and a solution ferric chloride. Good morning from Los Angeles.